Hey, it's 2 o'clock, July 9th. No, July 10th. 2 a.m., July 10th. Got a nice little trade setup here that I really like. It's pretty much a breakout, pullback, retest, and a continuation move. And I'm on the daily chart right now. You can see all the structure back here. And you can see it had some trouble getting through it. Finally did, and came down about 500 pips or so, and finally made its way back up. Retested right to the same area. So I took a short position. It's looking pretty good so far. Up like maybe 60 pips or so. Be some more confirmation when it breaks this little trend line here on the 4-hour chart. You can see this, but there's probably a good chance it is going to break it. You know, if it breaks up, it'll probably retest it and continue down. You know, this could take a few days, so we'll see what happens.
Collecting the debt, unfair,
seeing what's going on here with this trade.
Practices are illegal.
In case I didn't mention it before, it's New Zealand Japanese yen.
Since 2009, spurring JP Morgan
it's up right about 100 pips, maybe a little bit more. And it's, you know, I expect it to struggle with this area a little bit.
MSCI Korea Index lost 7.2% last
the yen
month.
is just
Speculation of reduced
the yen is just crushing everything across the board. So
the Korea gauge
we'll see
fell
what
to
happens.
1 times net assets.
Okay, you can see price here is trying to break this trend line. Hopefully we get a nice long candle of a break of that trend line, and it's not a fake break. All right, looks like we got a decent break of the trend line here. Let's just click out and see what's going on as far as targets. You know, if you really want to hold this trade, you know, potentially could be about 450 pips, and it could really go further than that. Let's see what we got in the daily here. Yeah, I mean, in time it could really reach all the way down to here, potentially. Could be like 1,000 pips. I don't know. I don't like holding trades over the weekend. I've gotten burned before like that. I've made money before like that, but I don't think it's worth it in the long run. Just see what happens here. Okay, we're about 20 minutes into the FOMC minutes meeting, and you can see it's just in general, it's pretty much making the market whipsaw and do crazy stuff all over the place, especially the euro, pound, dollar crosses and stuff. But this trend line seems to be holding, and you know, obviously there's some stuff back here and here. I got my stop at break even, still 100 pips up, so hopefully this will settle down and, you know, the trade will continue going in my favor. Yeah, here's the New Zealand yen on the 4-hour chart. You can see it's messing around trying to like shake people out of the market that may have had their stops up above here or something like that. Total market manipulation going on here, and I don't care if it's news driven or not. It's just one of those things. If you look at this chart here, it's the Australian US dollar. A very typical thing happened. I can't enlarge the chart. The video will stop. I don't know why. But this is the same thing. You know, I had the trend, broke the trend. You can see it was respecting this level where it broke the trend until finally it spiked down and bounced right off that trend line. And it's taken off now. Even that's gone up almost 150 pips. That was a good trade. So this could be a turning point for the Australian dollar. It could start gaining some strength, especially going into July and August and stuff like that. The market will probably get rangy in August, but we'll just keep seeing how this trade's going to go. I'm going to hold it for now. Okay, back in New Zealand yen. You can see I waited all this out with the FOMC meeting. That's what it looks like on a 1 hour chart, all this noise and stuff. I have my take profit set right here, and it came pretty close. Came about 16 pips away from hitting it. It came down to this 786 retracement and bounced right off of it, and just barely didn't take me out. But just gonna wait it out and see if it'll take me out, or if it comes down in double bottoms or something here. So that's what's going on. Alright, I just closed this trade out. Unfortunately, I left today, and you saw where my take profit was, and I just missed it. But there's other trading opportunity that I'm liking a little better. So I still got about 200 pips out of it. Missing out on another 100 pips is kind of a bummer, but you can't really complain about 200 pips.